Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Audi E-Tron Prestige. This is finished in Florette silver metallic. And this is a fully electric E-Tron. Have a 9.6 kilowatt onboard charger. Walk you around here, show you any little imperfections that I find. And we're going to start up here at the front bumper. So this being an Ohio car, it did have a front license plate bracket. These cars obviously look much better without the front license plate brackets. So it was removed. It has left 4 holes there. Bottom of the front lip, you'll notice small scuff there, probably from a parking curb, pretty common. And up here at the driver front wheel, pretty good shape, a little bit of curb rash there around the lip of the wheel. These are 21-inch, 15-spoke bi-color wheels. Got your charge port right here. And back here to the driver rear wheel. A little more curb rash there along the lip. Front and rear tires measure at 6/32 of tread life remaining. Front brakes have 10 millimeters remaining, and rears have 8. And back here to the passenger rear wheel. Pretty good shape, a little more curb rash there along the lip. And finally up here to the passenger front, a little more of the same thing going on. A little curb rash there along the lip. And we'll take you inside. We have a black leather interior. Well, I guess it should be unlocked first here. All right, Alcantara inserts on the doors. This is a black with rock gray stitch. This is Balcona semi-aniline leather seat trim. You do have sunshades here for the back passengers. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Dual zone climate control back here for the rear passengers, as well as 3-stage heated seats. USB and 12-volt outlet in the back. And Audi Guard all-weather floor mats. Nice big panoramic sunroof. Memory settings for the driver's seat. This is power adjustable with lumbar support. Very nice wood trim. Huge haptic screens here for navigation, smartphone integration, and the haptic touchscreen for climate control and driver and passenger seat settings. So this is equipped with 3-stage heated and ventilated seats. Nice multi-function steering wheel. And your Audi virtual cockpit. And as you can see there, current mileage 18,693. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.